Kwik Trip's interested in coming to the Village of Mukwonago because the core values are well aligned with Kwik Trip's. The village is very innovative, they have a strong work ethic, high degree of honesty and integrity, and we're very excited to be constructing a state-of-the-art convenience store here in the Village of Mukwonago. It's going to have a single bay car wash, a separate fueling facility, separate diesel fueling facility, and it contains about approximately 5,500 square feet. We'll employ 30 to 35 people, and I think it's going to be a great opportunity to showcase Kwik Trip's products and services and help us grow along with the community. From Kwik Trip's standpoint, the Village of Mukwonago really served as the catalyst for this project and for overall growth within the village. They helped us break down and remove a tremendous amount of barriers and impediments. For example, a lot of technical design issues had to be resolved. We had a great working relationship with the village planning and zoning department and the administrator. They helped us resolve a lot of those issues. Landscaping became an issue. Lighting was a concern, obviously, of residents, and they helped us work through those issues, remove those so that everybody was satisfied in the long run, that it would not be an intrusion on their lifestyle, so we could coexist and in harmony and hopefully promote a good business model as well as help promote the Village of Mukwonago. The access to 83 was of critical importance to Kwik Trip, as it is for any business, and in particular with this project, the village was instrumental in working with the DOT in a partnership, collaborative fashion to help us overcome some of the ingress-egress issues which were of paramount importance to Kwik Trip. So our hats off to the village in their efforts to help bring the DOT in so that we could work out a compromise that was satisfactory to everybody. Based on Kwik Trip's experience with our convenience store here in the Village of Mukwonago, we would strongly consider coming back here again if the growth opportunities continue as we expect they would. And I want to commend the village officials on the expedient, professional manner in which they conducted themselves. They were very open, they were very willing to listen to our concerns, very willing to reach out and work with other agencies within the state, particularly the DOT and other landowners. We don't often always find that in other communities. They were very, very accommodating, but very fair in the way they approached it, and we couldn't be more appreciative in terms of how they approached it and how successful we hope the store and the community itself will be. Mukwonago is definitely open for business.